Dear Chartered Accountants, working professionals, and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting, and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing Chartered Accountant. Daily news and updates for 16th November 2023. In a significant development, the Ministry of Finance announced on Thursday its decision to extend the deadline for submitting claims under the Vivad Vishwas II scheme by 2 months, now allowing contractors until December 31st, 2023 to settle pending disputes related to government contracts. The scheme, launched on July 15th, aims to provide a resolution framework for disputes in government contracts, with the initial deadline for claims set at October 31st. The Vivad Vishwas II scheme is applicable to all domestic contractual disputes involving either the Government of India or government undertakings. The extension comes as a response to the ongoing challenges faced by contractors in meeting the original deadline and to facilitate a smoother resolution process. Shareholder advisory firm InGovern has said that a reading of Religare Enterprises annual reports shows its chairperson Rashmi Saluja earned excessive compensation and there were regulatory breaches and non-disclosures by the financial services company in which the Dabur promoter family is seeking to enhance its equity ownership through a mandatory open offer to minority stakeholders. InGovern estimated the value of Saluja's stock options of Religare and of its subsidiary Care Health Insurance over the past 3 to 4 years at Rs 480 crore. It alleged that Care stock options were issued to Saluja without the insurance regulator's approval and without approval from Religare shareholders. India Inc. delivered strong double-digit growth in net profit in the September quarter, riding a stellar show by automobiles, banking and finance, cement and metal companies with a domestic focus. Revenue expanded in single digits as consumer goods companies faced volume pressure and IT companies continued to struggle for growth. India, the US, and 12 other members of the Indo-Pacific Economic Framework or IPEF have signed a supply chain resilience agreement that is aimed at helping reduce dependence on China and shifting production of critical sectors and key goods to member countries. IPEF has 14 members including India, Australia, the US, Japan, Fiji, South Korea, New Zealand, Singapore and Thailand, representing 40% of the global gross domestic product and 28% of the global trade in goods and services. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.